Making the perfect buttercream. Leave a 250-gram pack of butter out of the fridge overnight so it is soft and almost melting. Put the butter in a large bowl and beat briefly with an electric whisk. Take a 500-gram pack of icing sugar, add a third to the butter and beat again. Use a whole new bag of icing sugar so it doesn't need sifting. Once it is opened, it will start to form lumps. Now add the next third and beat again. Now add your final third of icing sugar and beat until it is all mixed in with the butter. Add your flavouring now if you're using any. Check the consistency, and if you need any milk, just add a teaspoon and mix again. Your icing should be soft, creamy and smooth.